the period of studying the course Explore the Universe, you may know that our solar system consists of 8 planets that orbit around the Sun. Every planet has their own unique, such as different colors, structure, atmosphere, and surface. So today we are going to look at a unique planet in our solar system, which is called Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and it is Earth's closest planetary neighbor. It is sometimes called Earth's sister or twin planet because it is similar in mass, size, density, and relative location in the solar system. Since they were presumably formed in the solar nebula from the same kind of rocky planetary building blocks, they also likely to have similar overall chemical compositions. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty due to its bright, shining appearance in the sky. Its appearance was first recorded by the Babylonians in 3000 before Common Era, and later being studied by Galileo after the first telescope was made in 1610. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon, because the clouds or sulfuric acid in Venus' atmosphere make it reflective and shiny. Also, no planet approaches closer to Earth than Venus. At its nearest, it is the closest light body to Earth other than the Moon. Moreover, because Venus' orbit is nearer the Sun than Earth, the planet is always roughly in the same direction in the sky as the Sun, and it can be seen only in the hour near sunrise or sunset, which in Khmer we call it morning star or Kai Prak when the sun is rising, and this star or Kai Chao when the sun is setting. For its distance from the Sun is around 108 million kilometers, and it is about 254 million kilometers away from the Earth. Venus has no moons and rings. A day on Venus would be a little bit boring because the planet's extremely slow rotation. From sunrise to sunset would take 117 Earth days. Also, with a single revolve taking about 243 Earth days, longer than a Venus year, which takes only 225 Earth days. And by the way, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east because Venus spins backward compared to Earth. Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the Sun than the Mercury. This is because of the high concentration of carbon dioxide in Venus' atmosphere, which works to produce an intense greenhouse effect. Heat is trapped in the atmosphere like a blanket, causing the temperature of Venus to be really hot. Its atmosphere composition are carbon dioxide 96%, molecular nitrogen 3.5%, water 0.02%, and other gas including carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, argon, and helium. After listening to this presentation, are you interested in visiting the Venus one day? Did you wonder that can you walk on surface of the Venus? Sad news is that the atmosphere of Venus is very hot and thick. You would not survive a visit to the surface of this planet. You couldn't breathe the air, you would be crushed by the enormous weight of the atmosphere, and you would burn up in surface temperature high enough to melt it. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for watching.